Hi, this is Sai from SQL School. For 2 decades, I have been involved in data stack activities since my first job at Microsoft, VGIT project. My training classes on Databricks are completely practical and real world. In my training classes on Databricks, I'll make sure the things are clear step by step involving various data sets and implementing something called ETL, extract, transform, load activities to Hive, Unity catalog and big data platforms including Spark databases. My training classes involve computing, cloud computing, big data activities, AI, Gen AI, also implementing the data engineering and BI developer concepts with ease step by step. Also, I'll be taking the actual concepts with realistic data sets and examples, preparing you for certification, Databricks Data Engineer Associate certification. In my training classes, I'll make sure we have daily assignments, weekly mock interviews, one-to-one resume guidance, mentorship, and real-time projects. This way, with this utmost care, I'm pretty sure, firstly, you will win confidence in your interviews. Secondly, you will stay safe at your job desk. Freshers, experience, anyone can easily adapt to my classes with my step-by-step approach practically, involving every aspect of Databricks. In my training classes on Databricks, I'll make sure I'll be providing you the complete hands-on material, labs, detailed step-by-step documents for every concept. No stone unturned. Right from the scratch to architecture, Spark, PySpark, Databricks with Data Factory activities integrations, Databricks with Data Lake Azure and Amazon S3 integrations, Databricks with Power BI integrations, and lot of additional stuff waiting for you. Come on, let's go for the classes from scratch, from the basics. Do reach me for a live demo session. Let's understand more about the actual classes at length. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you and see you soon in my actual classes. Take care. Bye-bye.